Hello, this is Jeff with J&A Junction. I just received in the mail my Weaver B&O coal hopper here in the mail here just a while ago. And here's the box. This car come from www.modeltrainstuff.com. I actually got this car for $28.19 plus shipping. It's a pretty good price because usually they run about $46.95. It's a cost on them. So yeah, I just received this in the mail, so I'm going to open it up here. There we go. There's the packing slip. You can see the model train stuff logo here on the top. There's all the peanut things. Here we go. It's a 3-bay offset coal car. It's Baltimore and Ohio. It's a ultra line, quality craft weaver ultra line. Get some of these things out of here. Hole here. Okay. There we go. Let's get the rubber band off of this thing. Okay. It says features 1/48 scale, complete brake system, fully detailed underframe, highly detailed syringe body, are made in the USA. Pad printed graphics, multi-road numbers, and it painted with durable scale coat paints. Let's set this aside here. Lay this here. Let's get it open here. Yep. Okay. And a bag here. Okay, here we go. Here's out of the bag here. You can see how well it's detailed, and it's got the B&O and then the road number on the end of the car. It's got separately applied ladders on it. It's got die-cast trucks and couplers. There's underneath of it. So here's the other side of it. Here's down in the top. So here's the other end. See, it's got the name and the road number on it as well. And like I say, it's very well detailed. Let's see. And this and the trucks does got springs on them. You can see there, they are painted black. You can't barely see them. There, like I say, the bottom of the car. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, this will be all. This is Jeff with the J&A Junction. Please subscribe, rate, comment. Thanks.